Tucson's monsoon season delivers some of the most intense storms in the country, and what looks like minor wind or hail damage often goes much deeper than it appears. A cracked tile, bent ridge cap, or lifted shingle edge left unaddressed through the rest of storm season becomes a leak that damages the deck, insulation, and ceiling below. DC Roofing of Arizona specializes in storm damage roof repair, finding every point of failure, documenting it with photos, and restoring the roof to full watertight condition. David Contreras has repaired storm-damaged roofs in Tucson since 2011 and has the experience to identify subtle damage patterns that less experienced crews miss entirely. We serve Rincon Valley, Sam Hughes, Star Pass, and every corner of Tucson after a monsoon event. 4.8 stars, written warranty on every repair, insurance documentation available, and ROC license number 328733. Call DC Roofing of Arizona after your next storm for a fast damage assessment